everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade crypto on PCEX.com on your phone. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser and search for PCEX.com or PCEX exchange. This will land you on the official website of PCEX.com, where you will have to click on the login/register option that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen, and you will have to provide your login credentials in order to log in into your account. Now over here on the home page, you will see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can basically trade over here. So you will have to select that pair of cryptocurrency which you want to trade. For example, if I want to trade BTC/USDT, so you will have to simply click on it. On the next page, you will see all of the pairs and the pairs that you have selected, and underneath it you will see the long and short option. So you will have to simply select whether market will go up and down, and in accordance to that you will have to select whether you want to long your trade or short. So it actually depends on your personal trading experience, and this is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not giving you any of the advice about the trade. This video is for educational purposes only. So here you can change the time frame, and then you can just place your order and according to your direction. Basically this way you will be able to trade crypto on PCEX.com. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.